Motherland, motherland, motherland. Happy birthday, motherland. Motherland,
This
are you
one,
with me?
this one you're calling me. Have you remembered me today?
Motherland, please, I need you to go and wash and keep
Do
yourself
you want to
clean.
help my status now?
Motherland,
You only remember me once in a year, which is very, very bad.
motherland, we don't have time for arguments. Today is your birthday. Please, I would want you to put a smile on your face. Today is that wonderful day that you celebrate. Please, go and take your bait, motherland. I'm coming to take you.
Forget about my birthday. You only remembered me only once in a year. Why can't you take care of me? What have I done to you?
Motherland, please, we don't have time for this. Why are you wearing that thing on your eyes? Please go and remove it so that we will take you to the square where we're celebrating in motherland.
I
Your
can
people
no
want to
longer
you.
see properly. I can no longer see properly. That is why I'm putting on this eyeglass. Look at how fresh you're looking. Why me, your motherland is fading away every year? What have I done to you?
Motherland, can you put a smile on your face, motherland?
Forget about the smile. This is not all about the smiling time now. If you cannot take care of me, you allow those that can take care of me to take care of me.
God forbid.
At least when they are taking care of me, I do it 3 times. Then,
Motherland,
But now-
I cannot allow the People's Party to take care of you again. I cannot allow the People's Party to be your caretaker again. The last time that they took charge of you, they spent 16 years. They did not allow us to come and see you, motherland. Oh, my dead body. They can never take care of you again. Oh, my dead body, motherland. Please don't say that again, motherland.
is this the promise? Is this the change you promised me?
Motherland, you said that when People's Party was taking care of you, you were eating 3 times a day. Fine. When
This
I
time
came,
around, I can't even post of 1 square meal per day.
when I came, I did not promise you 3 square meals. I promised you 1 meal per day. It was there. I even put up a signboard that told everybody that it was 1 meal per day. I promised to change. But I did not tell you what type of change I promised you. It can be bad change, it can be good change. Motherland, haven't you changed? You have changed. Whether you change for good or you change for bad, you have changed.
I've changed from good to bad. Is it how it is supposed to be?
Motherland, please go and prepare.
You old men cannot take care of me. Why can't you allow the youth to take care of me? Because you people are older than me.
Motherland, the youth are not ready. Which youth are you talking about? We are not stopping the youth from taking care of you. The youth are not interested in politics. Motherland, we are not stopping the youth. The youth are carried away by our youth empowerment program, sports betting. The youth are busy arguing Messi and Ronaldo who is the best. The youth are busy watching Big Brother Naija. The youth are not ready for you. The youth are not even using their senses. The youth, when we were young, we were taking care of you. Now that we are old, who do we hand over? The youth are not available.
Okay. If the youths are not ready to take care of me in their motherland, why not allow the Igbos to do so? Igbos knows how to transform their economy. I can remember after the Biafran War, the Igbos were only given 25 pounds, and today they are billionaires. Hausas and Yorubas have tried, but why can't they give the Igbo the chance to try as well? What have I done to you?
Motherland, we don't trust the Igbos. The Igbos are very, very dubious. We don't trust them. You know Igbos, they like dominating. Then anywhere they go to, they dominate. Motherland, I'm not saying that Igbos will not transform you, but you know how Igbos behave. It's only Igbos that will go to a country that they don't know anybody in. After 2 weeks, they will start sending cars back home. Motherland, it's not that we cannot give the Igbo chance, but I don't know. They will occupy everywhere. They will transform you for sure. But I'm even afraid of them. Look at one of their brother, the fair barrister. The one that is abroad, he did not go to anybody's house to invite the person to join him, but he's controlling millions of Igbos. Once he says sit down, the Igbos will sit down. I don't trust the Igbos. If they take care of you now, they will rebrand you. They will start calling you Biafra.
Why wouldn't they want to rebrand me? Why wouldn't they want to rebrand me when you cannot do so? When you cannot do so, this your government has been here for 5 years now. Can you at least give me one account of your state so far? One account of your state so far.
Motherland, motherland. Going back to the youth, we're not stopping the youth, as I told you before. But the youth are not using their senses. During election, we will give them peanuts, and they will start fighting themselves. They will not even ask us, we the leaders. They will not ask us where our children. We will keep our children abroad, but we will bring them to fight themselves. The youth are not ready. Remember when the last election, 3 young persons came out. They cannot even decide within themselves and say, let's send one person to represent us. These 3 young persons went to the back. I don't know whether they collected money, and one of them is supposed to represent them, but they cannot support the person. They divided themselves. Now, you're saying the Igbos should take care of you. Motherland, I cannot allow the Igbos to take care of you. The Igbos will transform you, and then we will not even have what to even eat as leaders. The Igbos will spend all the resources on you. We your children should eat small now. And you are not asking me to give you account of what we have done. Motherland, we would have given you the account of what we have done, but our Oga at the top will not allow us to say it. The account office that we're supposed to give you account from, People's Party have burnt the office. People's Party have burnt it. So I don't know. It's People's Party that you should blame, not us.
Okay, let me now ask you. Niger Delta, have you people started helping them?
We were about helping Niger Delta, but the People's Party did not help them during their time. So it's People's Party that if they help them, we will not help them. So People's Party should do something.
The killings in the north, any plans on that?
Yes. We want to help them in the north. But the People's Party are not helping matters. They did not help them during their time. So they are not helping. People's Party, they are not giving us chance.
Even the Boko Haram issue, have they stopped?
The People's Party is not also trying to help us. The People's Party are the ones that will give us details of what they have done before, so that we can now come in. Motherland.
Is dollar now equal to 1 naira?
Yes. Dollar would have been equal to 1 naira, but the People's Party, that 16 years they spent there affected dollar. So we're still trying to build naira to meet dollar. That is it.
The health system in your country, how far so far?
The health system is okay. Is okay. The People's Party are still not told us what they made to make this so bad. So we are waiting for the People's Party to tell us so that we will know where to come in.
Okay. What about those animals that used to swallow money? How far about it? I want to ask you, are you truly a zoo? Answer me this question. Are you truly a zoo? How many years will it take you to stop blaming PDP and start working for your people? How many times? Look at your motherland. I'm even much older than my age. I look like 90 years old woman. Is it fair? Okay, now, the NCDC man that fainted, has he woken up?
The man that they were asking how much has he to give account of the money spent. The man fainted. We were trying to bring the man up, but the People's Party now puts the man inside coma. So he has not woken up till now, man.
He has not woken up till now.
Yes, man.
Please, can I ask you for a favor?
Motherland, it's your birthday. We are celebrating your independence. Motherland, feel free to ask for any favor, Motherland. And we, the Nigerian leaders, will see to it.
I need a visa to travel abroad.
Motherland, you are a country. You cannot travel to another country. You are Nigeria herself. How can Nigeria be asking visa to travel abroad? Motherland.
I'm tired of what I'm seeing here. Killings and suffering every day. Bad economy. The last time, what I had last time was the killings pertaining the SARS people. Instead of them to be doing stop and start, they don't do stop and kill. What have Motherland done to you people? What have I done to you? Look, let me tell you, are you hearing me?
I'm hearing you, Motherland.
If if you people are not trying to change anything concerning this issue, I promise to change this uniform I'm wearing right now to that same uniform you people are rejecting. Only but one day.
Motherland, please, that's not got to that motherland. Please, dress up. Today is your birthday. Let's celebrate. After today, we will come back to this issue, Motherland. Please, I have a new clothes for you just for today. You'll be happy. Please, you will eat well just for today, Motherland. Motherland.
This is not the real change you promised me.
Motherland, please, can you put a smile on your
son.
face? People are coming. Please, can you smile? Can you smile? Mother, can you smile? People are coming around. Please, happy birthday
I wish
to
I
you.
could bear the pain
Happy
to smile.
Yes,
I wish
she's
I could
happy.
smile.
Motherland is happy.
I
She's
wish I
happy.
could smile.
Happy birthday to you. She's happy. Happy birthday to you. Please smile. Please smile. Motherland, please smile. Please smile. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.